Hey everyone, welcome back to Arts Core. In this video, I will show you how to paint an ocean with acrylics. These are the 5 different paints I'm using. If you do not have all these range of colors, a tip I will give is that you mix black with blue for the darker shades and mix white with blue for the lighter. Now I'm going to label the colors 1, 2, 4, the last one staying white for easy reference during the video. You will also need different sized flat brushes for the blending and a round brush for the waves. Start by taking color 1 and working inwards from the top right and bottom left. Then take color 2 and blend it with the first color. Now take color 3 and only apply it from the top right. Remember to blend well. Then take color 1 once again and apply it on the top left. Next, take color 4 followed by white to finish the gradient. At this point, take color 1 and apply it in the shown areas. Keep in mind to blend out the patches. Then take color 3 and mix it with white. Add a bit of color 4 until you have a turquoise color. Now apply this color in small sections near the top. Take your round brush and dip it in white. Dab white on this diagonal line all the way to the bottom right corner. Try not to cover the entire area with white and let a bit of the blue show from beneath. Then dab some more white paint as shown. Now take a clean, flat brush and start blending in diagonal strokes. If your white is a bit thick, you may need to dip the brush in water before blending. Then dip the same brush in white and apply it in some more areas. Now, using any brush, take color 1 and darken up some more areas. Once again, take white with a round brush to add a little more detail. At this point, I'm removing the masking tape since the messy edges make it hard to see what I'm doing. But if you're using masking tape, I insist you keep it on until the very end. Now, once again take white using the round brush and lighten up some more areas. Remember to blend. When doing this area, I insist you'd use a dabbing motion to give that scattered effect. Now take color 1 and darken the area below the wave. Then dab white over it to get rid of the sharp edge. Lastly, take color 1 once again and make curved strokes from the top right. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.